I think one of the things that sets Orenco apart is the culture, because you could see there was mutual respect. Everybody knew everybody's name. There was true engagement. Orenco Composites uses a vacuum-infused process, which is what enables us to do a single one-piece building. Having that one seamless building with no external fasteners is one of the key benefits. Perfect day off right now would have to be a sunny day and me and my wife riding our Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Every day is a new challenge. So a lot of the buildings that we do are custom, different dimensions, different job requirements as far as what they're trying to achieve or protect. The future is truly unlimited.